Have you ever seen something so beautiful? It feels unreal. You're walking by the shore, and suddenly the sand begins to glow blue. It's not fantasy. It's plankton reacting to the world around them. A single touch of water, and soft sparks of light bloom instantly. Because of that, every wave becomes a moving river of stars, like the ocean is breathing galaxies beneath your feet. But here's the part nobody expects. That light can vanish completely from just a trace of pollution. And the more people chase this miracle, the faster it begins to fade. So when you see a single blue trail drifting across the waves, that's why I asked if